Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Toyota Highlander brake light. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 7440 bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Now, open your rear liftgate to get clear access to the taillight assembly. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and quicker. Next, you'll need to locate the two screws that hold the taillight assembly in place. These are typically visible once the liftgate is open. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should detach with a little steady pressure. Now that the taillight assembly is free, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. With the socket in hand, carefully pull the old 7440 bulb straight out. It might be a bit snug, but it will come out. Then, take your new 7440 bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Ensure it's seated correctly for a good connection. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the taillight housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully align the entire taillight assembly back into its original position on the vehicle and push it firmly into place. Don't forget to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws to secure everything. Test your new brake light to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.